Chapter 2, Lesson 3 is addition with regrouping in the ones, tens, and hundreds. So again, parents, we need to remember that there's regrouping, so we need the groups. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. So this will be key to success. Not only for this grade level, it's also key to success for future grade levels. It makes it a lot easier for the kids to add without being stressed. So computational math is always vertical, and we never will add from left to right. When it's mental math, which we will be discussing in the next lesson, we will see the difference between the computational math and the mental math. So for this lesson, we are on page 42. In order to answer these two problems, again, it asks for us to find the sum. So clearly, we need to write it vertically because these are computational math. So the bigger number goes on top, 3769 plus 522. So we start with a 9. That's the bigger digit. We add the 2. But we start with a 9. We know we need one more to get to 10. So we have an extra 1 from the 2. That makes it 11. Here, the bigger digit is 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Here, the bigger digit is 7. But we'll notice that we need to regroup here. So the thought process is we need 3 to make it to 10. We have an extra 2, which makes it 12. So if it's hard for the kids to write it directly onto the answer, they can write it down here first and transfer over to the answer. Whatever is more convenient to them, let them. They need practice, a lot of practice before they get used to this. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Making it 4,291. If we look at the next problem, we do the same. So the bigger number is 6,845, and we add 2,187. So starting with a bigger digit, 7, plus 5, we need 3 more to get to 10. We have an extra 2, so that makes it 12. If I take that to the side, we have a 1, a 4, and a 8. So we start with a 8. We need 2 more to get to 10. We have an extra 2. That makes it 12, but we have a carried value that makes it 13. So this is 3, that's 1. Again, to be consistent, we start with a bigger number or the bigger digit. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. And finally, 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So as these numbers get bigger, it means more stress. The earlier we can teach our kids to be consistent in the way that they solve, the less they will struggle throughout the years. That concludes Lesson 3 of Chapter 2. See you in the next lesson.